Did you know that certain superfoods can naturally boost your energy levels and even strengthen your immunity? That's right. Adding just a few key ingredients to your daily smoothie can help you feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be diving into the world of superfood smoothies. These power-packed drinks are not only delicious, but also an easy way to fuel your body with essential nutrients that support both your health and energy. Whether you're looking to power through a workout or just stay sharp during a busy day, these smoothies have you covered. Let's face it, we all struggle with low energy and poor nutrition at some point. Maybe you're feeling fatigued halfway through the day, or you're not getting the right nutrients from your meals. This can lead to sluggishness, lack of motivation, or even recurring illnesses. Many of us turn to coffee or sugary snacks for a quick fix, but these solutions don't offer the long-term energy we need. So how can we fuel our bodies in a way that truly sustains us throughout the day? Enter superfoods. These nutrient-dense ingredients can be easily added to your smoothies to give you that lasting energy and health boost. For example, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which can help maintain energy levels and keep you full longer. Spinach, another superfood, is rich in iron and helps improve circulation, which supports oxygen flow in the body, giving you natural stamina. Then there's maca powder, which has been shown to enhance endurance and improve mental clarity. Each of these ingredients plays a unique role in boosting your health and energy in a natural, sustainable way. Now, let's put it all together with a signature superfood smoothie. We're going to combine a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a teaspoon of maca powder, half a banana for creaminess, and some almond milk. Blend it all up, and you've got yourself a delicious smoothie that's rich in nutrients and perfect for kickstarting your day. The spinach will provide you with iron and vitamins, chia seeds will add fiber and protein, and the maca powder will give you that extra boost of energy. So, as you can see, incorporating superfoods into your smoothies is a simple and effective way to improve your health and maintain your energy levels. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite smoothie recipes, and of course, make sure to subscribe for more tips and ideas on how to live a healthier, more energetic life. See you next time!